When it comes to driving a truck, having the right tires can make all the difference in your performance, safety, and comfort on the road. All-season truck tires are designed to provide versatility in various weather conditions, ensuring that you can tackle anything from rain to light snow. In this video, we'll review the top 5 all-season truck tires to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Continental TerrainContact A/T. The Continental TerrainContact A/T is a robust all-terrain tire that combines exceptional on-road comfort with off-road capability. This tire is engineered for drivers who require versatility without compromising performance in various driving conditions. Key features. One of the standout features of the TerrainContact A/T is its intelligent tread pattern, which includes a combination of wide grooves and a rigid shoulder design. This allows for better traction on both wet and dry surfaces. The tire also boasts a noise-reducing design that enhances ride comfort while maintaining stability at higher speeds. Benefits and usage. The TerrainContact A/T excels in all-season performance, making it ideal for both daily commuting and off-road adventures. Its durable construction and all-terrain capabilities provide confidence for drivers who frequently switch between city roads and rugged trails. It also features excellent handling characteristics, allowing for smooth cornering and braking. Usability. With a load index of 120, this tire can handle heavy loads, making it perfect for truck owners who use their vehicles for towing or carrying equipment. The Continental TerrainContact A/T is available in various sizes, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of trucks. Durability. This tire is built to last, featuring a robust construction that resists cuts and punctures. The TerrainContact A/T is backed by a limited warranty, assuring drivers of its longevity and performance in various conditions. In the second spot, we have Pirelli Scorpion Verde All-Season. The Pirelli Scorpion Verde All-Season tire is designed for performance-oriented trucks and SUVs, offering a blend of comfort, safety, and environmental friendliness. This tire is particularly suited for drivers who prioritize low rolling resistance and fuel efficiency. Key features. One of the key features of the Scorpion Verde is its optimized tread design, which provides excellent grip on both wet and dry surfaces. The tire incorporates Pirelli's Eco-Impact technology, which helps reduce environmental impact while enhancing performance. Additionally, the Scorpion Verde includes special compounds that improve traction without sacrificing durability. Benefits and usage. The Pirelli Scorpion Verde is an excellent choice for urban and highway driving, offering a smooth and quiet ride. Its all-season capability means it can handle light snow and rain with ease, making it a reliable option year-round. The eco-friendly design also appeals to environmentally conscious drivers who seek a sustainable option without compromising on performance. Usability. This tire's availability in a wide range of sizes makes it a versatile choice for many truck models. Whether you're driving a full-size truck or a smaller SUV, the Scorpion Verde is designed to meet your needs, providing confidence and reliability on the road. Durability. Built with advanced tread compounds and robust construction, the Pirelli Scorpion Verde is engineered to withstand the rigors of everyday driving. Its durability is further enhanced by a comprehensive warranty that protects against premature wear and defects. Coming in at number 3 is the Hankook Dynapro HT. The Hankook Dynapro HT is an all-season tire engineered for light trucks and SUVs, delivering excellent traction and stability. This tire is designed for drivers who need reliability on the road, whether in dry, wet, or light snow conditions. Key features. The Dynapro HT features an asymmetric tread pattern that enhances handling and stability. Its wide shoulder blocks provide improved cornering performance, while the central rib offers a smooth ride and better steering response. The tire also incorporates advanced tread compounds that reduce rolling resistance, contributing to improved fuel efficiency. Benefits and usage. This tire is particularly beneficial for drivers who spend a significant amount of time on the highway. The Dynapro HT is designed to provide a quiet and comfortable ride, making it perfect for long-distance travel. Additionally, its all-season performance ensures that drivers can confidently navigate varying weather conditions without switching tires. Usability. Available in a variety of sizes, the Hankook Dynapro HT is compatible with numerous truck models. Its load capacity is impressive, making it suitable for both personal and commercial use. Whether you're hauling cargo or commuting, this tire meets the demands of various driving scenarios. Durability. The Hankook Dynapro HT is built to last, featuring a robust construction that resists wear and tear. Its tread design promotes even wear, extending the tire's lifespan. Plus, it comes with a warranty that ensures peace of mind for drivers looking for a dependable all-season option. Taking our fourth spot is BFGoodrich All-Terrain T/a KO2. The BFGoodrich All-Terrain T/a KO2 is a versatile all-terrain tire that delivers exceptional off-road capability while maintaining on-road performance. This tire is ideal for adventurous drivers who require a reliable tire that can handle rugged terrains and everyday driving. Key features. One of the defining features of the KO2 is its aggressive tread design, which includes interlocking tread blocks for improved traction on various surfaces. The tire is equipped with a dual compound technology that enhances durability and performance. Additionally, it features a patented sidewall armor that protects against cuts and punctures. Benefits and usage. The BFGoodrich KO2 is perfect for off-road enthusiasts who frequently navigate challenging landscapes. Its all-terrain capabilities make it suitable for mud, gravel, and rocky paths while still providing a smooth ride on highways. Whether you're taking a road trip or tackling off-road trails, this tire offers the reliability you need. Usability. The KO2 is available in a variety of sizes, ensuring compatibility with many trucks and SUVs. Its robust construction allows it to handle heavy loads, making it ideal for towing trailers or carrying equipment. Durability. Built to withstand harsh conditions, the BFGoodrich KO2 features a durable tread compound that resists wear and improves longevity. With a limited warranty that covers various road hazards, this tire is designed for drivers who demand durability and performance. And finally, at number 5, we have Nitto Terra Grappler G2. The Nitto Terra Grappler G2 is an all-terrain tire designed for trucks and SUVs, offering a perfect balance of off-road capability and on-road comfort. This tire caters to drivers who seek a rugged tire that performs well in various driving conditions. Key features. The Terra Grappler G2 features an innovative tread pattern that enhances traction on both wet and dry surfaces. Its dual sidewall designs allow drivers to customize the look of their tires, while the optimized tread design reduces road noise for a quieter ride. Additionally, the tire incorporates advanced siping for improved grip on slippery surfaces. Benefits and usage. The Nitto Terra Grappler G2 excels in versatility, making it suitable for both off-road adventures and daily driving. Its all-season performance ensures reliable traction in various weather conditions, including rain and light snow. This tire is perfect for drivers who enjoy weekend excursions while still needing a dependable tire for everyday use. Usability. Available in a wide range of sizes, the Terra Grappler G2 can fit various trucks and SUVs. Its load capacity is robust, accommodating heavy loads and providing confidence for towing and hauling tasks. Durability. Designed with a focus on longevity, the Nitto Terra Grappler G2 features a durable tread compound that resists wear and tear. It also comes with a limited warranty, ensuring drivers have peace of mind regarding the tire's durability and performance over time. Choosing the right all-season truck tire can significantly impact your vehicle's performance, safety, and comfort. The Continental TerrainContact A/T, Pirelli Scorpion Verde, Hankook Dynapro HT, BFGoodrich All-Terrain T/a KO2, and Nitto Terra Grappler G2 are all excellent options, each offering unique features tailored to meet various driving needs. Whether you're looking for off-road capabilities or on-road comfort, there's a tire here that suits your lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. Safe travels!